Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to renew your Kerala driving license. The best part is you don't have to go to the RTO and you can do it at the comfort of sitting at your home. So let's get to it. Open the web browser on your laptop or tablet and type Renew Kerala Driving License and select the first link. Select the first link from the National Government Services portal. Click on OK. Close this window and select the state as Kerala from the drop-down menu. Skip this window and allow the website to use your camera. Enter your existing driving license number, date of birth, CAPTCHA and select on Proceed. The department would fetch all the details as it is available on Parivahan website. Scroll down and from the drop-down menu, confirm that the details are correct and select the category of driving licenses General. Enter the PIN code where you want to renew your driving license and select Proceed. On the next page, you will have to give some details such as your email ID, your mobile number, your present address, your permanent address, etc. So provide that and click on Confirm. Enter the CAPTCHA, submit the OTP and select Renewal of Driving License. Click on Proceed and select the self-declaration form link and select all the right options and click on Submit. In the next window, select all the checkboxes under declaration and select if you want to donate your organs in the event of an accident. Enter the CAPTCHA and select on Submit. This will submit your driving license renewal application. In the next window, you'll get your application reference slip, basically an acknowledgement. Select on the application form pre-filled. On page 6 of this document, you have a certificate for visual standards for driving that you need to get stamped and sealed after an eye test is done by a certified ophthalmologist. So you'll have to visit an eye hospital. No worries if you don't have a printer because even I didn't have one. So I visited an Akshaya center and paid them 20 rupees. And based on your application number, they'll download the form and give it to you. You only need page 6 while you're visiting the eye hospital. Get the eye test done and the ophthalmologist will sign and stamp the document for you. Take a clear photo of this document and ensure that the whole file size is less than 500 KB. Additionally, you are also going to need a copy of your driving license in the PDF or JPEG format. Again, file size should be less than 500 KB. And you are also going to need a clear passport size photograph and a photo of your signature. Both should be as per the right dimensions indicated here, which is as per the website. And both of them should be less than 50 KB. If you need a website to resize the dimensions or the size, you can visit iloveimg.com or ilovepdf.com. Now we'll have to access the Sarthi Parivahan website like we did earlier. Go to Kerala and this time select complete your pending application. Enter the required details and once you're inside, scroll down and under the stages, you'll see upload documents. Select proceed. Here you'll have to select the declaration tick box and under the documents drop down menu, select eye test certificate, fill all the details and ensure that your document is less than 500 KB in size. Once the document is successfully uploaded, you'll notice it under uploaded documents. Now, upload the driving license as well. The same procedure, less than 500 KB. Notice that they both have appeared under uploaded documents. Click on next and in the next stage of application, we need to upload the photo and the signature. Again, both with the required dimensions and less than 50 KB in size. Upload the recent photo from your documents or photo library and the signature. Click on upload and view files and you will notice that your photo and signature have appeared on the top left corner. Scroll down, click on save photo and signature and your photo and signature would have got uploaded into the application. The last step in this process is fee payment. Click on proceed, select the gateway, select pay now, click on the terms and conditions, proceed for payment, do your payment. There are multiple gateways, credit card, net banking, UPI, etc. Once you do that, get the receipt printed and it should look like this. And that is all guys. Sit back, relax while your application goes through the various process of scrutiny. It took 3 working days for my application to get processed and I was able to download my new driving license, which looks like this. So that is all guys. I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you have any queries. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you so much once again. Bye and take care.